This is Beampong, a tabletop arcade game for 2 players that I designed. It uses light effects and musical notes in 3 different play modes. The first one is a bouncing game in which one player chooses a color that the other player must match at the right time. Another one is a combat game in which players fire colored pixels at each other. The third game is a rhythm challenge in which musical notes scroll towards the players, who have to combine the right buttons to match the melody. For all 3 game modes, there's a correlation between colors, notes, and chords. This device is powered by a rechargeable battery, and inside it there are a speaker with an amplifier, an LED strip, and a Raspberry Pi Pico. The whole project is open source, so to play this game people can download the firmware or its source code and the construction files for 3D printing. I put together detailed assembly instructions. Now go smash those buttons!